When do I replace my tires? That's a great question, and one of great safety concerns as well. The tire is the number one thing that keeps your car stuck to the road and keeps you safe. In this video, we'll cover three things: tread depth, we'll also talk about tire wear patterns, and we'll talk about the age of your tires. The old adage was, if you can take a penny and see the top of Abe's head, replace those tires. We recommend 3/32 of an inch. Most tire manufacturers in the United States are required to put wear bars in them. You can see one right here. If that bar is smooth, replace those tires. Uneven wear is another thing to watch out for. If you ever see cords or steel showing, replace that tire immediately. Otherwise, get it in to have that alignment checked and the suspension parts. The last one is age. There's a DOT code on the side that gives you the age of your tires. We recommend every 6 years because Texas has a lot of heat. If you're not sure, you can Google that code or come on in and talk to George at B&B Automotive, and I'm sure he'll be happy to help you. Remember, thumbs up and like us on Facebook.